Eger, a picturesque town located in the northern part of Hungary, is a captivating destination that enchants visitors with its rich history, charming architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. Renowned for its historic landmarks, thermal baths, and world-class wines, Eger invites travelers to step back in time, indulge in relaxation, and savor the essence of Hungarian culture. The heart of Eger's allure lies in its medieval architecture and historical significance. The Eger Castle, perched atop a hill, offers a commanding view of the town and the surrounding landscapes. The castle complex includes the iconic minaret, a remnant of Ottoman rule, and the Eger Castle Museum, which showcases the city's history through exhibits and artifacts. The Eger Cathedral, an elegant blend of Baroque and Classicist styles, is a testament to the city's religious heritage. Eger's thermal baths and wellness offerings add to its appeal as a rejuvenating destination. The Eger thermal bath and Turkish bath, both dating back centuries, provide a serene atmosphere for relaxation and wellness. The thermal waters, known for their healing properties, offer a soothing experience for visitors seeking rejuvenation. Eger's local culture is celebrated through its festivals, events, and culinary delights. The Eger Wine Festival, held annually in August, showcases the region's renowned wines and features live music, traditional performances, and culinary experiences. Eger's historic Dobó Square is a hub of activity lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops that offer a taste of local flavors and artisanal products. The city's commitment to education and arts is evident in its cultural institutions. The Archbishop's Palace, home to the Eger Archdiocese Library and Museum, offers a collection of valuable manuscripts, religious artifacts, and historical exhibits. The Minaret Church, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, is known for its acoustics and hosts concerts and cultural events. Eger's surroundings offer opportunities for outdoor exploration. The Bükk National Park, with its rolling hills, forests, and caves, provides hiking trails, nature walks, and breathtaking vistas. The Zalojka Valley, a natural reserve, features waterfalls, rock formations, and family-friendly attractions. In addition to its historic and natural attractions, Eger is also known for its excellent wines. The Eger wine region produces a variety of wines, with the famous red blend Eger Bykhaver, Bull's Blood, being a highlight. Wine cellars and tasting rooms in the region offer opportunities to savor these fine wines. Eger offers a harmonious blend of history, relaxation, and cultural vibrancy that captures the essence of Hungarian heritage. Whether you're exploring medieval castles, indulging in thermal baths, enjoying local festivals, or simply strolling through its charming streets, Eger promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that celebrates the spirit of the past, the serenity of the present, and the timeless allure of a town that stands as a cultural and historic treasure of Hungary.